Welcome guys, welcome to the channel. My location is in the Trelawny area. One place them call name Litchfield in Trelawny. So big up all the Litchfield people, them know, big up yourself. You know, Trelawny are the place to be when you come on to farming. Big up all the Trelawny people, them one love and one heart. I know a lot of Trelawny people overseas I watch them video in the Litchfield area. Big up on yourself. So my location is in Litchfield, Trelawny. So leave in the comment section what you think about this area. What Jamaica can do to get rid of the crime and violence, because a lot of people can escape for travel Jamaica because of the crime and violence. So leave in the comment section what Jamaica people them can do. To me, Jamaica nice is just the people them in Jamaica. Jamaica nice. Just live good. If you not live good, it's not gonna work out. So leave in the comment section and tell me what go on. So take a view of Litchfield, Trelawny. See, we have some nice colorful building in this area. Oh, look at that. Look at the view. Very, very nice view. Been to Litchfield before, leave in the comment section and tell me what go on. Litchfield people them. So it's about 11:40 a.m. in the Litchfield area. A lot of birds in this area, a lot of pigeons. Big up yourself, mommy. Yeah, man. So, mommy, I walk and I enjoy a moment. So, the boss a speed. Careful. Sometimes we can cause a lot of harm on the road to other road users. Just be very careful.
In 300 meters, turn right onto B5.
Can't hold a car around them place there, you know. Yeah, man, you see the whiny road there. If you can't drive a Jamaica, you know, man, so nobody try it out. A lot of people scared to drive a Jamaica, and that's an easy task. Go in some hillside area. If you can't hold the road, else you gotta run off over road. Yeah, man. Yeah, see a Tara vehicle.
Turn right onto B5.
Or a Tara vehicle behind me, you know, so I want to drop off in pocket so you must speed, so you know me can't really drive too slow, because you know sometimes some people just gonna lick up in your back, you know, and just tell us sorry and gone. No, so Jamaica stay and go to the how Jamaica
in 4.6 kilometers, turn left onto B5, Albert Town to Stettin Road.
Go through, you know, because yeah, man, boss has speed. Yeah, Oh, that's a Tara, you know, it's a courier. So I want to speed and, you know. So we're in the Wait a Bit area, Wait a Bit Trelawny. If you ever heard about the Wait a Bit Trelawny, you are now in the Wait a Bit area. So big up on yourself, all the Wait a Bit people, them big up on yourself. Yeah man, so take a view of the Wait a Bit area. On the right, you have a Petcom gas station in the Wait a Bit area. If you need some gas, we have a Petcom gas station there. So you see the thing there? Yeah. So you know, Wait a Bit is in Trelawny, Stettin. On your right, you have the Wait a Bit All-Age School. Countryside nice, so you can wash your clothes and hang up on the line. Tell us a life in Jamaica nice, you know, man. All about nature, natural beauty. Some people overseas, you know, say if you use your washing machine, use a dryer, don't know what it's like to get your clothes dry by the sunlight. Enough people don't experience that. So it's all about the natural things, you know? So what I go on, my beautiful people, you know, alright, and tell me what I go on now. Talk to me in the comment section and tell me what I go on, tell me what I go on in the phone area, what the weather is like at the moment, what's for dinner. Don't sit down and watch the video now, tell me what I go on on your side. Appreciate what I'm doing. If you make the left turn, we'll take you all to Silver Street. Yeah man, Silver Street in the Trelawny area. He was up on the hump on the road, he was up on the horn. He was up on the hump on the road. Big up yourself, boss. You walk with a wheelbarrow. Big up yourself. Like you're hard at work today. So indicate where you're watching from. Yeah man, you can indicate where you're watching from a paper. Yes, my beautiful people. Yeah man, like Papi, I take a sunbath in the morning, yeah. So I tell you, say you can slow and just enjoy yourself. Body with the water, sunbath in the morning. Look out for them patrol, yeah. Yeah man, I put some places on the map. I only heard about it, never get a chance to see it. So I'm taking the time out and put it on the map, you know. So if you know come to Jamaica, you don't have an idea where to go to see how the place look. Because sometimes they say looks are deceiving. So you will see how it stay. Only for right here the pan shop here, man. Right here and Bulla. Patwala, you know, man. I'm feeling patwala to my heart. So you see that? I tell you, say how much wear and tear. Yeah, man. So if you want to buy Fire Reid a coffee, you can leave it in the PayPal section. I'll get a coffee. Thank you all for the support. Sometimes I could have a coffee on the journey. So big up on yourself. One love and one heart. Hold them car there, fire. Yo, them car there set away. Just come to Jamaica drive for the first time. I don't know about Jamaica Road. You're gonna have a lot of problems. A lot of problems. Yeah, man, if you can't hold a corner good. If you can't hold a corner, it's gonna be very difficult for you. So we are heading towards Albert Town area. Also Stettin Road. Some whiny on the road there, you know, man. So I have to go through the patrol a while ago because we can't just stop. So because if we stop like that, gentleman I can lick right on my back. So you have to know if you drive in Jamaica. Some people
in 300 meters, turn left.
Break up. Some people just break up and the guy just come licking in your back. So you have to look in your rearview mirror. I know what I go on, so now if you know the road code in Jamaica too, can't just say I get up and just drive in Jamaica like you know the place. No, can't do that, my people. Yeah, man. You say if I want to you're a driver, you can drive anywhere, but I don't believe in that. Once you take your time and drive, yes, fine, it's fine, but can't just go one place on a speed like that. It don't make no sense. Yeah, man.
Turn left onto B5, Albert Town to Stettin Road.
But them patrol there, man. Crazy patrol there, man.
In 4.6 kilometers. Turn right onto B5, Albert Town to Stettin Road.
Whoa. Yeah, man. Whoa. Patrol there, make you feel it to your heart. Yeah, man. You see it? If it body not dropping along patrol them and come over upon you, if you mash up your vehicle, alternate route ahead. What a lovely view. Very, very nice view in this area with people. Very, very nice view. On your left, that's where you have the Penn Road. So if I do Penn Road now, Trelawny, close to Albert Town area, you would make the left turn right there. Boss are riding bicycle. Boss are keep fit. For them bike guys, you know. Look out for them. Up on the hand on them corner. You see them corner here? Yeah, use up on the hand. And at night time if you come through them area, so much bush on the road, much cheat thumping on the road. So you have to be very careful. So we're in the Stettin area. Yeah man, them place we call them Stettin. Stettin in Trelawny. Single lane traffic ahead. So I have to look out for the single lane traffic them ahead, you know. Yeah man, so we are talking about ya. You have to really sign them on the road. You see that bridge here? Like not really bridge, but the road kind of tear off. So you have to look out for that. So we're in the Stettin area. So thanks for watching the channel, True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid.